welcome back to another episode of Tiny Tim's Minis. Today I am sculpting a realistic creeper with a bit of a twist. I'm starting off with a base of aluminum foil. This helps save on clay and keeps the sculpture lightweight. Then I add a rough layer of clay to bulk up the body. This gives our final layer something to grip onto. Once the body is shaped, I use a pokey tool to make some holes for armature wire. This will serve as the base for the legs. When I'm happy with the leg shape, I bake the armature and cover it in liquid clay. That helps the final layer stick more securely. For this project, I am using Super Sculpty Firm to build up the creeper's silhouette. Once I like the overall shape, I brush on some isopropyl alcohol to smooth everything out. Now I wanted to give this creeper some fur, so I cut out a few strips of clay and layered them to build up a fuller coat. For the eyes, I used a pre-baked oval cut in half, then started working on the surrounding details. This creeper is actually a defective dragon mixed with a phoenix. Instead of breathing fire, it tries, but ends up exploding instead. Like a phoenix though, it's reborn from the ashes. It's also cuter than most realistic creepers I've seen. My wife said, "Who would want to approach a scary creeper?" So I decided to go with a cuter design. The nose took me 3 tries, but I finally landed on a version I liked. Once the face was done, I used a texture roller I made myself, just a piece of clay with a bunch of holes poked in it, to create a nice scaly texture. Before moving on, I added fur to the head the same way I did the body. After baking the creeper, I started bulking up the legs. The toes took a few tries to match my original concept, but I eventually got there by adjusting the clay until it looked right. Originally, I was just making a dragon creeper, but as I kept sculpting, the phoenix concept grew on me. The fur ended up looking a lot like feathers, and the idea of rebirth made the exploding part a bit less sad. I finished the feet and added some more fur around the legs to blend them into the body. I started with a base coat of black. This helps give the final colors more depth. Once that dried, with the help of my trusty hairdryer, I painted the face and legs a bright green. I used darker green for the fur and then mixed in some lighter and darker tones for texture. The goal was to give the creeper a kind of camouflage, so it blends in with its surroundings. Finally, I painted the eyes with a white base, added a red wash, and then detailed the pupils. Before the final shots, if you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you have any ideas for future sculptures. To finish up, I added a coat of glossy Mod Podge to the eyes and teeth to give the creeper some extra life. And that's it. Let's take a look at the final results.